So I encourage y'all to wear her with a dark brown wig cap. So you don't have to go through this step. You can bypass this step. Hey friends, this is Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to come to y'all today to do a wig show and tell. This is the first impressions. I am going to be doing the wig from Outre from their melted hairline collection. This is a lace front wig. It is synthetic, as y'all know. The name is Harper. It's in the color 1B. This wig apparently has baby hair included, and it also has a pre-attached wide elastic band, and it is safe to heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, let's go ahead and open her up to see what she's looking like. So as y'all know, it basically comes like most synthetic wigs do with all this packaging. Comes with a hairnet. Gonna pop that baby right off. And then we have this styrofoam just to kind of keep her in place, as well as some other packaging. So let's go ahead and check out the construction of the cap. As previously mentioned, I'm just getting this off. As previously mentioned, excuse me, she does come with an elastic band in the back. So as you can see, these are the straps. She also comes, does she have comb? Yeah, so Harper has 3 combs. She has 2 combs on the side and then 1 in the back. And her lace is in the front only, not the back. So far, she's really cute out the box. She got some nice little curls. They are very bouncy. So let's see. So I have a small head. I'm not a big-headed girl, even though I may look like it, I ain't. So I like to just put my straps towards the middle of the wig to make it tight. Okay. So this is Harper on my head with the lace still attached to it. Just wanted to see how it looks. One thing I noticed right off the bat is that her lace is very, very transparent. This is not transparent, but it's very translucent, which could be a good thing in my personal opinion right now due to the wig cap that I have on right now. It is a bad thing because, as y'all can see, let me come a little closer, the wig cap that I have on now is like a beige one. I think she would look better with like that brown wig cap, but I ain't got that, so we just gonna do what it does and make her look good as is. So Harper right off the bat also is a right side part. This beige wig cap is not gonna let me be great. But just right off the bat with no plucking, I haven't plucked this wig yet. Harper looks like she has like a bald spot right here. We can darken that up with some powder, so I'm not too much worried about, but I don't think she needs any plucking, so I'm gonna leave her be. So now I'm looking at the ear tabs. Outre promotes Harper as being like ear tab conscious. What they say, y'all? They say that she has a redesigned comfort fit ear contour. I don't believe it. I don't like it, so I am going to cut the ear tabs because that is bothering me. So I'm just going to go back in, put in my hair clips so we can cut those ear tabs to make it a custom fit. So I don't know if I ever showed y'all how I cut my ear tabs, so this is just like a real quick down and dirty way of showing y'all. If you guys want me to do a more detailed video of it, definitely let me know and I can do that. So once again, I am not going to go through this process step by step because I already did that. So if you guys need a step-by-step tutorial on how to glue down your install, your synthetic unit, what have you, please feel free to watch that video. I am going to link it somewhere in this video. So watch it, y'all. Y'all see that? Oh, that looks good, boo. So my molded paper is all the way over there. So I'm just going to use a hair scarf to lay her down. Okay, y'all, it's been more than enough time. So I am going to go ahead and unwrap my scarf and my molding paper. As some of y'all may know from other videos, I do not use heat to melt my baby hairs. I like to just use molding, wrapping paper, and my scarf, and just time. So this is what, ooh, she's cute. Look at that. It came out really, really good, y'all. What y'all think? So, since this beige wig cap is throwing everything off, I got my Morphe eyeshadow palette to just darken that lace. And yeah, so I'm going in there now with like a brown shade. So she looks a lot better now, just going in with that powder to darken her up. Well, darken that beige wig cap that I have. So I encourage y'all to wear her with a dark brown wig cap. So you don't have to go through this step. You can bypass this step. Take out the clips to see her in her full glory. So my first impressions thus far, right? Let's start with the pros. The pro is that the baby hairs were very easy to make, and also they were very easy to lay. So like the hair in itself was just very soft and like easy to manage and play around with. Another pro is that this wig just looked good, right? It just looks good from a baby hair, realistic. It looks like it's going from your scalp type of unit. It looks really good. Another pro, in my personal opinion, is that she didn't shed that much at all. Of course, as y'all saw, I did cut her ear tabs. And so after I cut the ear tabs, of course, she shedded a little bit. Well, a whole lot of it. But prior to that, I didn't notice any type of shedding, which I thought was very, very good. Another pro is that she just looks like a nice, straight wig that is just so happened to be curled. I do like that effect. Another pro is that she was $37, so she is a budget unit for those. So for those of my friends out there who are looking for a good deal, let's hop on some of the cons. Actually, before we hop on the cons, I do have one thing to say. So her stock photo, it looks like the wig would have been a yaki texture, and so I didn't know whether to put this as a pro or a con, what have you. But as y'all can see, she is very silky and she's not yaki. I don't personally like that. I don't really like silky hair personally. And then her, once again, her stock photo looks like she should have been a yaki texture, so that kind of like threw me for a loop. So yeah, and so that kind of eases us into the cons, because I feel like one of the things that I always experience with a silky textured type of hair is that it tangles. And so I don't know if you guys were really paying attention to me as I was kind of going through the pros or just talking about the hair a little bit earlier, just a few moments ago. I was experiencing some tangles right then and there. So I mean, it's easy. It's very easy. See, it's very easy for me to detangle her with my fingers, but it hasn't even been an hour and she's already like tangling up so quickly. I noticed that a lot of Silky Textures does that, will do that. So yeah, so this is her in all of her glory. Let me turn back around. Y'all can see her from all angles. So with that, my friends, I love y'all. Come back again for the next video. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment below so we can fellowship and engage and have a conversation. If y'all out there have purchased this wig, please let me know your thoughts about it. Did she work for you? Let's have a conversation. Do y'all like silky texture hair? Let us know. I ain't feeling it, but I do like Harper. Harper is very, very cute. I think I'm going to have to keep Harper around just because of this natural hairline that she got going on is amazing. Well, until next time, y'all. Bye.